all about how to find the center and the radius of a circle from the equation, and then also if I had the center and radius, putting it into the equation. Now, you're not going to always get your equations of circles looking like this. Sometimes you have to complete the square. I have 2 videos on that. But if it's given to you like this, it's pretty easy. And if we remember, it's this. And any time you have those negatives in your equation, like your formula, then you know you have the opposite of the number that you need. So if I have a negative 3 behind x, it would be positive 3. And if I had a positive 3 to put into this equation, I would put in a negative 3. So in this one, this first one, there is nothing added to x or y. So my center would be 0, 0. And then I would take the square root of this. And we know that 10 is not a perfect square, so we leave it square root of 10, or simply put it in our calculator, find the decimal if we need. So in this one, we're going to take out the opposite, remember? So positive 12 becomes negative 12 in our center. Negative 5 or minus 5 becomes positive 5 in our center. And then we're going to take the square root of this, which is this. So over here, this third one, there's nothing added to x or x squared, so it is 0. And then we have a minus 3, so it's going to be positive 3. And then we're going to take our radius and square root it, or the number, and square root it to get our radius. Square root of 1 is 1. So if we had centers like 2, negative 7, and our radius is 5, we're going to put this into this equation. So we have our x is positive 2, so we're going to have x minus 2. Don't forget your square and your plus. And then our y is negative 7, so we're going to have y plus 7 square and equals. And then we're going to take our radius and we are going to square it. It's going to be larger. So 5 squared is 25. And that is how you put it into your equation. Remember, if your center had a 0 in it, whatever coordinate that was for, the x or the y, you just would simply have an x squared or a y squared and nothing added to it.